Hey guys, my name is Justin and welcome to Hellsborough, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you do too, make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, I have an unboxing. It doesn't look very exciting. So if you couldn't tell from the title of the video, or I guess the thumbnail, I click on things too sometimes without realizing it. I got something from Telfar and I wanted to just share it with you guys. So I already have the black version of the medium backpack from the collab, but then because I opened it in the US, I didn't have like camera equipment or anything like that. I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing for the yellow that just came out. So I don't know, I just wanted to open something and have fun with you guys. So let's dig in, cut in, I don't know. So I have my little knife. And again, like, it is like a super narrow box. I don't know, this is also like more sustainable than having a huge box, right? Like, less square meter slash square footage or whatever, square centimeter, whatever people say. But then, okay, where do I cut again? I feel like I'm playing a harp, kind of. Okay, did I cut it all the way through? I did not. Was I holding the knife backwards? Who knows? Okay, I think that's all I need the knife for. Okay, and then I love that. Like, instead of it just being like a flap, it actually is like, seems like a better quality box. And then, okay. That's it. But I do love it. It comes with this little, you would say this is like a dust bag, but then I just think this is like a nice bag. Like the next time I have a trip, I'm definitely gonna bring this and I'll put like my dirty laundry in it to help like separate it out. Just because I think it's pretty heavy duty, it feels pretty thick. Okay, you guys ready? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Ooh, that was satisfying. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's fully yellow. It's a little bit warmer than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be more of like a true yellow, kind of like the CMYK yellow. Like the yellow is very like bright, but this is very nice. I think the warmth makes it a little bit more wearable too. Like casual maybe. What is this? It even has like a 30-year limited global warranty, which I think is incredible. I don't know exactly what that means, but... So then, of course, it is the medium backpack. It has the embossed Telfar logo in the nylon, 2 straps, and then of course it comes with the attached like shoulder slash crossbody strap that's detachable, which is like, if you get this bag, just keep the strap in the bag, because you never know when you're going to want to switch from backpack to like shoulder or crossbody. The most underrated things that Telfar puts in all of his bags when he sends them out is like the silica gel packet. Because if you put any of these bags in storage, throw this back in when you're, even if it's on a shelf in like open air, put it in there. It'll help suck up the humidity, keep your bags not smelly. Like you don't get that like humid, like damp smell. Or if you have like multiple of them, throw them in your other bags too. And then just a quick overview. I think I already mentioned it in my first impression, which I'll also like link up in the corner. But there's a zip pocket, there's like a netting pocket on the inside, and then there's like a little sleeve for like an iPad or a small computer. Oh, and then one thing about the inside I also wanted to mention is that it is black on the inside. So there's still, of course, is like black details, like the underside of the strap, all of the webbing, like nylon-y handle, reinforced things, straps, things like that. Those are all black, but then the inside is also black. And then the majority of the shoulder slash crossbody strap is black, but then the top of it is yellow, which I think is super cute. Forgot to mention the outside has 2 little elastic mesh pockets, which are great for small things that aren't super valuable, that you're not like too worried about. I also like have a water bottle that's skinny enough that it fits here. So now in retrospect, I'm just like reflecting currently, and I'm like, oh, this kind of reminds me of like Bumblebee from Transformers, which I'm like, cute. But then I'm like, oh, okay. Not an association I thought I was gonna make, but here it is. Nothing too crazy, just the same amount of expected quality and goodness. It's cute. It's really cute. I have a feeling that if they do more colors of this bag, it's gonna be in those like very like backpack colors, like primary school. Like they have the yellow, they'll probably do like a red and then a blue. Well, I would like to see this in a white though, but we'll see. I don't know, let me know. Do you guys like this bag? Do you have this bag? I'm definitely gonna do a review of it like very soon. Spoiler alert, it's great. Yeah, I love hearing from you guys. But that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time,